Hello everyone, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I to unbox the Realme Buds Q2 friends. Finally, I got hands on with the Realme Buds Q2. So I did order the Realme Buds Q2 from the Amazon website, and this is the pricing exactly what is listed. As you can see, 2,500 rupees. And for this 2,500 rupees, let's see how is the packaging inside, and I'll try to do the in-depth testing as well by comparing with the other earbuds as well, which I do have. Yes friends, I do have the MIDI DuoPods 825 and Soundcore Live Q10 as well, and even I do have the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus as well. As you can see, these are the three buds which I'll be mainly trying to compare with the side by side as well. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested to buy. So if you're planning to buy this kind of Realme Buds Q2, just wait for a couple of days. I'll try to do the in-depth review as well on these buds, whether to buy or not. So try to use my links in the description friends, in case if you plan to buy any kind of earbuds. So this is a packaging, how it looks, as you can see friends. So there's a box which is packed. As you can see, there is no bubble wrap at all, but there's a bubble wrap for that cover. So this is a Realme Buds Q2. Finally, I got my hands on with this one. As you can see friends, so this box is yellow and my background chart is also yellow. I did not expect that. And the box looks kind of like it's not damaged, but it's kind of dent somewhere around there. As you can see, a little bit, but not much. So this is a Realme Buds Q2, and finally, I think it's not opened. I think so. It's kind of sealed at this point. So yes, it's kind of sealed, as you can see. And on the box they did mention that 88 milliseconds of super low latency. I need to test the gaming as well, so stay tuned for those videos. And I need to check the noise cancellation and all those details. I'll try to check how is the quality while talking in the calls, and even the active noise cancellation as well. By connecting to the Realme phone, I'll try to see how the connection is, how the pairing is going on. That is what my main focus will be there. And the battery life, that is another biggest thing which I need to check, the battery life in these earbuds, how it is. And even I'll try to concentrate even on the quality of the sound as well. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested to know more details. So right now there are two buds which I'm having right now, which are having the really high battery life. So first is the Samsung Galaxy Buds. This will give around only these earphones can get around 11 hours of time. 11 hours of highest time is what my highest. And next is the MIDI DuoPods. So these are the MIDI DuoPods which are having same kind of, I think, close to 7.5 hours of time. Only the buds I'm talking about, not completely. So this is a packaging inside. This is how it looks. As you can see friends, this is a small package which is not that nothing at all. I think we did include some kind of cable, I think so, inside. Let me try to quickly take out all this. So is the case, it's not that heavy. So is the Realme Buds Q2. That's fantastic. And it is also another thing, left and right. And let's see what are the things inside we got. And there should be some kind of cable, I think. There's no cable. Yeah, there's some kind of small strip. Yes, there's a cable. At least they did include the small cable. As you can see, the small one, that's no problem. At least we got the small one, which is separately for this one. And we do have this other quick information guide as well. That is another thing which I'll try to keep it side. And these are the complete details friends about this initial unboxing experience of this Realme Buds Q2. Let me try to completely peel off this plastic, everything. Yes. And these are the quality. It looks kind of all the dust got attracted. I'm not sure exactly you'll be able to notice in the camera or not. So there's a one thing which let me try to peel off all this kind of plastics from here. It looks really good, the shining and attractive. I did like this kind of style. So is this one. And let's check the weight, how much the weight can be there, just out of curiosity, how much the weight. I'll try to do the separate video as well by comparing with other earbuds in terms of the weight. The case weight is about 35 grams, not bad. And the earbuds weight is about 4 grams, not bad, 4.5 grams. And let's check this one, how much will be there, 4.6 grams. That's kind of weird. So slightly, so 4 grams of weight will be there. That's not much heavy weight, I would say, definitely friends. That's another thing. And once you open the case, we do have this kind of button as well. We can press the button. So let me try to keep quickly the earbuds in their position, and let's see what charge we can actually get in. So we do get the green color light here. And when we press the button, what happens? I just want to see. There's no indication, nothing. When I press the button, nothing is happening. So this is a complete case friends, and the overall package the weight is about, I think, close to maybe, let me try to check how much weight it can be there. Overall package maybe kind of 45 grams, I think. So 45 grams, yes. So overall weight is about 45 grams of this Realme Buds Q2. So thank you for watching this video friends, and let's see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. I'll be back with the initial setup and the connection and how is the sound quality. All those videos I'll try to upload on the Realme Buds Q2 very soon. So make sure to stay tuned by subscribing.